Okay, guys, welcome to another section. And this section is another section. I can say it's key components, very important. You probably say that in every section you will see are important and key component. Believe me, threat is everywhere, vulnerability is everywhere, and I say that risk does not wither to zero. The more we put our attention, our company data or an organization data, even at home data, is better than being a careless and doing nothing. Okay, I need your attention, guys. This section is very important. We're going to talk about mobile devices protection. If your company use mobile devices to what to conduct company business, such as accessing company email or sensitive data, pay close attention to mobile what security and potential threat that can expose and compromise your overall business network. The section describe the mobile threat and mobile threat environment and the practice that small business can use to help secure devices such as smartphones, tablets, and Wi-Fi, or we can say Wi-Fi enable in our laptop. Many organizations are what finding that employee are most productive when using mobile devices, and the benefit are too great to ignore. But while mobility can increase workplace what productivity, allowing employees to bring their own mobile devices into the enterprise can create significant security and management challenges. I don't mean you don't have to bring your phone, but you have to make sure when you hiring someone for the sensitive data or when you hire for a sensitive department, so there should be a rule and regulation that they are not allowed to what? They are not allowed to bring their phone. If they are bringing their phone, they should, we can say, put in the banker, or there should be a specific, we can say like we have a bookshelf, there should be a specific place where they should turn off their phone. Even they turn on their phone, but they're not allowed to have that phone while they get inside that area. So therefore we can say data loss and data breach caused by loss of stolen phones, creating big challenges. So it is very important that we have to keep our eyes on our smart devices. Top threats targeting mobile devices. Data loss is the first threats. What? Data loss is the first threat. An employee or hacker access sensitive information from device or network. Point should be noted. This can be what? Unintentionally or malicious, and is considered the biggest threat to mobile devices. This is what? The first threat. What is the second threat? Social engineering attacks. A cyber criminal attempt to trick user to disclose sensitive information or install malware. Method including phishing and target attacks. Malware, malicious software that include traditional computer virus, computer worms, and Trojan horse programs. These are the traditional virus, right? A specific, we can say example including Ikee worm, targeting ISO-based devices. Now you would say what is ISO-based devices? The iPhone that you have. Pjapps can enroll infected Android devices in the collection of hacker control, or we can say zombie devices known as botnet. So now we found that both operating system nowadays, two companies are so famous, iPhone and Samsung. So there are plenty of other companies, but these are more popular. They have a very strong competition. iPhone is using ISO and Samsung is using Android operating system. Now we found that there are viruses for both of them, so they are equal. Data integrity threats attempts to crack or modify data in order to disrupt operations of a business for financial gain. This can also occur unintentionally. Resource abuse, attempt to misuse network devices. An example including sending spam from the compromised devices or denial of services. Attacks using computing resources of the compromised devices, or we can say web and network-based attack launched by malicious website or install malware or steal confidential data that flows through it. Okay, guys, in the next lecture, we're going to discuss about a step can help to ensure company information is protected. See you guys there.